Open the browser, enter catelabx.com, click on Windows Download to download. Extract the installation package, install the driver first, and then install the software. Plug in the laser head connection cable. There is an anti-misplacement design here. Plug in the power cord, USB Type-B cable, with the other end connected to a computer port via USB. And short press, power, to turn on the device. Open the software. The interface will display the carving material. Click on the left click to start creation. Display connected, port, COM4, is named differently for each computer. Click on the settings in the upper right corner to modify the toolbar icon size and font size. Click on the left toolbar to create graphics. Here are some basic operations for creating graphics. Click on the left text icon to generate text. Select the text layer to change the text to fill mode. Double-click the text to edit again. Click Open File to open an image. Click the border and drag to shrink the image. Center the image and maximize the canvas. Changing the W value can precisely modify the image size. Select the image and set the corresponding carving parameters. Click Preview. Rotate the focusing pin of the protective cover downwards. Loosen the screw to allow the focusing pin to make contact with the surface of the carved object. Tighten the screw and retract the focusing pin. Click multiple times, preview, modify image size or position, or move the wooden board to find the best position. Click to start. The machine starts working.